Hello, this is Panda Zerkopsky coming to the weekend of the summer solstice for 2009, which is also options expiration for June. And let's get into our Iron Condor options income service monthly review. Our SPY position was a good position. We had a 77, 79 area on the downside to play with, and this was just fine. And on the upside, we had a 99 and 101 area of safety for the bear call spread on the Iron Condor. However, I did close this one out early, and then the reason why is because the market did move up. If you remember, late last week here, it broke out of this 96 area level just for a little while, and I decided, hey, I'm just gonna pull it out and just avoid any possible danger in the position. So I played it safe and I exited out for a scratch, completely break-even trade on this side of the trade. So overall, this trade worked out really well, and the bear call spread was a scratch, and on the other side, on the bull put, we had plenty of room that expired worthless, giving us a total return on this for 7.5% on this SPY position, because we entered into the bull put spread for 14 cent credit. And let's take a look at the QQQQs, and this one was a similar event here. Let's back up a little bit here. We entered into this trade a while back, a couple weeks ago, for a credit here on the 28.30s. Here on the downside, and on the upside we had a 39 and 41 up in here. Same thing that I did on the SPY to avoid any possible loss here, as this part was looking to break 37 and we only had 2 points. I took it off for a scratch trade again on the Qs. So however, if I didn't do that, then we would have been completely all right and profitable. But you know, at this point last week, if you remember, you know, it could have easily worked its way up, but in fact, it worked its way down. So I played it safe. I exited, and this QQQ position, I got out for a total gain on that for 5.82%. So that was how it went on those. And IWM, we had another trade. There's a bad tick on that one, but hold on, let me see if I can go back a little bit. Okay, well, on the IWM we had a fine trade on this one. We had all the way down to 39 and 41 on the downside, and and on the upside we had 58 to 60. Can't even see that on this part, but probably be way up here. So 58 and 60. This one was fine. We entered into this for a 21 cent credit, and this one here returned to us a total profit of 11.73%. So we had 11.3% on that one, and that was great. So that was our options trading for the month, and total return that we had for the overall month was a gain of 8.3 0.37% for the month. So that was our iron condor and options income service for the month with those. And going forward, we are introducing new strategies, not limited to credit spreads and iron condors, but also debit spreads such as broken wing butterflies, which will offer a better risk to reward ratio, better than iron condors and other credit spreads, where the losses are usually much greater than the possible returns. So debit spread strategies that I'm working with will be able to give us a risk to reward ratio of about 1 to 4. So say for any $100 we put a position on for, we have a potential for $400. And I'm always looking for those kind of trades, and those kind of trades are what will be included as the complete options income service here going forward for the upcoming months. So that's about it. Hope everybody has a great upcoming June and July, and we will be entering into new trades starting possibly this next week. We just have to see how the market is and work with the market on a day-by-day basis. My analysis on this SPY position and on the overall market is, and the overall goal is 5 to 10% return per month. So thank you. Goodbye.